How to change your email on your Snapchat account. Hello guys, today we show you how to change your email. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys, you go to Snapchat, then opening it. Then when Snap it's opening, you go here and click on your profile. Then you go to settings here and click. Then you go to email, like there is a lot of option. You go just to email, and this is your email. You will remove it or you will add a new email here, and when you finish you click save. And when you click save guys, they will send you an email, and then you will verify your email in your Snap account, and it will work on you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.